Why does your scanner show the P0403 engine code? What does it mean? P0403 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas recirculation circuit malfunction. This code indicates a malfunction in the exhaust gas recirculation circuit. Specifically, it means the powertrain control module has detected a problem within the EGR system's electrical circuit. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty EGR solenoid, open or short circuit. Stuck EGR valve, faulty PCM. Damaged wiring harness. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in a variety of vehicles, particularly those with EGR systems, including Ford, Volkswagen, Audi, and Nissan models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.